In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PayPal in Wix, updated for 2025, following a straightforward step-by-step guide. Setting up PayPal on your Wix site not only makes transactions smoother, but also broadens your audience by offering them a reliable payment method. As we dive into this process, promise yourself a hassle-free journey, ensuring that your site is optimized for e-commerce success. Let's get started. First, begin by navigating to Wix.com and logging into your account. It's advisable to have your login credentials ready to facilitate quick access. Once you're signed in, head over to your site's dashboard. It's from this central hub that you'll manage and adjust all your website settings. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find the Settings tab. Click on it. This area allows you to configure various essential elements for your site and is where you'll locate the option to set up payment solutions. In the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Accept Payments. Click on this to proceed. This section is key for managing how you receive money from customers, and it provides a range of payment methods to work with. Here, you're introduced to a variety of options, and you'll want to focus on connecting PayPal to streamline the payment process on your site. Once you're in the Accept Payments section, look for the Connect button next to PayPal and click on it. This action begins the process of integrating PayPal within your Wix store. You'll be prompted to provide some critical information at this point. Enter your PayPal email address when requested. It's crucial that this email matches the account configured in the PayPal system, ensuring seamless connectivity and functionality. After entering your email, you'll need to click Connect again. This step is pivotal as it initializes the connection between your Wix website and PayPal account, allowing transactions to flow between the two platforms. Once connected, follow the on-screen instructions. These will guide you through any additional configurations or verifications needed on the PayPal side. The process might require logging into your PayPal account to authorize the integration fully, so be prepared with those login details as well. By completing these steps, you've successfully enabled PayPal on your Wix site, paving the way for an enhanced user experience and streamlined transactions. Remember, offering a trusted payment method can significantly boost customer confidence and improve your overall sales performance. Make sure to check your settings and conduct a test transaction to confirm everything is functional and correctly set. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore our other guides for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Wix site.